Alright, for this factorization question, what we have is we have this expression here, x squared minus 17x plus 52 equals to 0. Okay, to factorize this expression, we can make use of the cross method. Alright, so I'm going to quickly show you how to do the cross method over here. So the cross method basically involves putting a cross, okay, and what we want is we have three columns. For the first column, we want to have an outcome of x squared, which corresponds to the square term in the expression. The second column here corresponds to the constant term here, which is plus 52. Alright, and the last column corresponds to the x term, which is negative 17x. Alright, now what we want to do is we need to fill up these crosses such that we get the corresponding result in the columns below here. Now for x squared is quite straightforward, only x times x is going to give you x squared. For 52, of course we have a few different options which we will need to try out and see for ourselves. Alright, so for example, one option for 52 is 1 times 52, correct? So if I were to use 1 and 52 here, 1 and 52, I will get x and 52x here. Alright, there's no way x and 52x can give me negative 17. Alright, so that is definitely not a valid solution here. Now, what else can I try? Okay, so I can try 2 times 26. 2 times 26. Alright, so if I were to try 2 and 26, I'll get 26x and 2x. Again, there's no way that this 2 can give me a 17. Alright, so that is also out of the question here. Okay, so what else can I try? Okay, so you can go through some possible iterations. So 52 and 3, that is not a perfectly divisible. So 52 divided by 4, what do you get? You get 13. So if I take 4 times 13, alright, so let's see what I get over here. So if I take 4 and 13, I get 4x and 13x. Now you see that 4 and 13, if I add them up together, I can get 17, correct? Now the thing is, I want to get negative 17x here. That means I need a negative 4x and negative 13x. Add them together, I get negative 17x. Alright, so since I have a negative 4x here, I must put a negative here, and negative 13x, I put another negative here, and negative 4 multiplied by negative 13. Alright, so in the cross method, here is a multiply, here is also a multiply. Correct, so x times x, I get x squared. Negative 4 times negative 13, I get positive 52. Negative 4x plus negative 13x, I get negative 17x. Alright, so you can see that all the three columns have been fulfilled, okay, according to the expression. So the factorized solution is x minus 4 and x minus 30. So what I have here is x minus 4 and x minus 13 equals to 0. Alright, so since this is a quadratic expression, you have two possible solutions. So one is x minus 4 equals to 0, which will give me 4, or x minus 13 equals to 0, and I get x equals to 13. Alright, so the way you write your final answer is x equals to 4 or 13. That is your final answer here for this question. Alright, thank you. Bye.